A microscopic breach in a British lab pipe let the world's most lethal virus claim its final life, just as humanity prepared to celebrate its extinction. On September 11, 1978, smallpox claimed its last known victim. Janet Parker, a 40-year-old medical photographer at the University of Birmingham Medical School. Smallpox is caused by the variola virus, a large brick-shaped DNA virus in the orthopox virus genus. It spreads mainly through prolonged face-to-face contact with respiratory droplets, but can also transmit via contaminated bedding or clothing. After an incubation period of 7 to 17 days, it produces high fever, severe aches, and a distinctive rash that evolves into deep, fluid-filled pustules. The more severe form, variola major, carries a 30% mortality rate in unvaccinated people. Survivors are often left with permanent scarring or blindness. No cases had occurred in the UK for over 5 years. The last natural infection worldwide was in October 1977 in Somalia, involving Alimao Malin, who recovered. The World Health Organization's Global Eradication Program, started in 1967, had nearly eliminated the virus. By 1978, final certification was underway. Parker became ill on August 11th with fever, headache, and muscle pain. A rash developed soon after. Her doctor initially diagnosed chickenpox. On August 24th, laboratory tests confirmed variola major. She was transferred to Catherine de Barnes Isolation Hospital, 12 miles from Birmingham. Over 300 contacts were identified, vaccinated, and monitored. Only one secondary case occurred. Her mother, Mildred, who had a mild infection and recovered. Parker remained in isolation for 17 days. She developed hemorrhagic complications and died of cardiac arrest on September 11th. Her father, Frederick, suffered a fatal heart attack on September 1 while visiting her under quarantine. The source of infection was traced to a smallpox research laboratory directly below Parker's workspace, directed by Professor Henry Bedson. Air pressure differences allowed viral particles to travel through service ducts. Bedson died by suicide on August 31st, before the official inquiry concluded. The subsequent investigation, led by Professor Reginald Shooter, identified biosafety shortcomings but found no legal negligence. The UK destroyed its remaining smallpox stocks shortly afterward. Only 2 WHO-approved repositories were retained, one at the CDC in Atlanta and one at the Vector Institute in Koltsovo, Russia. On May 8, 1980, the World Health Assembly declared smallpox eradicated, the first human disease eliminated through coordinated public health efforts. In the 20th century alone, the virus had caused an estimated 300 to 500 million deaths.